ebooks besides going through the library catalog. However, the downside is, in most cases, you have to search each of the ebook databases individually. This can be very helpful if you have a particular subject you're looking for. So let's just take a quick look at how to get to the databases. We did it in last week's lessons, but we go into Research and Databases. To look for the reference databases, we went to by subject, and that is where we found Gale Virtual Reference Library and Oxford Reference Online. However, in this case, we're going to go to Databases A to Z. So if someone mentions a really good database, this is the fastest way to find it. You can also find it by clicking on database type. So let's say I only want ebook databases. I would then click on ebooks. So here's a list of 15 databases that have ebooks. Some are general, some are very specific. So you want to look through them. For example, if I knew that I needed some kind of computer books, I might look at Safari Books Online. So again, this area covers digital media, engineering, math and science, professional development. So I know that it has a lot of computer and digital media in it. So I'm going to type in the word Java, which is a programming language. And here I have 2,800 books. Usually I'm looking for the most current. So I would probably sort by publication date. And so this was going to be published on Monday. So that's an example of how you can find specific kinds of ebooks. And here's what's in here. You can search within the book, or you can review the table of contents. So that's just an example of how you can use the databases A to Z list to find ebook databases. Probably by now you've all discovered, let's go back here to the library. You've discovered this OneSearch. We call this the Library Google. Okay, it doesn't search the web, but it searches many different databases that we own. It's wonderful. It also can pull up millions of hits. So you have to, if you're going to use this to find ebooks, you need to know how to narrow it down. So let's say we wanted to look at digital currency, okay, as in digital money. We can search on that. So there's quite a few, 400,000 articles, ebooks. This searches everything except for websites. So this is just way too much. I can even get a patent. Look at a patent. What I want to do here is narrow down my search. So I want to make sure that I get full text books. And then we don't need to go back to 1793. Really, we're only interested in what's happened, let's say, in the last 10 years. So by doing that, I'm also narrowing it down. And then down under source type, this is really where it helps. We click on ebooks. Okay, so now there's still 33,000. I'll probably need to refine my search. But I can take a quick look down. Some look like they're on target, some not. This one looks interesting. Digital Destiny, how the new age of data will transform the way we work, live, and communicate. So let's say I want to go ahead and look at that one. So I can see that this is actually in EBSCOhost. And I can search within the book. Let's go ahead and click on the book, the PDF. I don't recommend downloading them because it's complicated and it only allows you to have the book for 2 days. So I just say just read them online. But again, I can search within the book. And let's say I want to look at Bitcoin, which is a digital currency. And so here's 2 mentions of Bitcoin. I can go straight to the page where that is. For some reason, it's not loading right now. Okay, so that's really all I want to show you, that there's multiple ways you can use the OneSearch and narrow your search to ebooks, or you can go to databases, A to Z, and narrow it down to ebook databases. Those are really, in addition to the library catalog, the best way to find ebooks. Okay, great. We're going to try that.